Why create a self-led AI study plan?
Having a structured, self-led study plan helps you stay organized, motivated, and focused on your AI learning goals. With a clear plan, you avoid feeling overwhelmed by the vastness of the field and can track your progress meaningfully. This approach fosters consistency, greater retention, and a greater sense of accomplishment as you move through topics and skills at your own pace.
Setting goals and identifying resources.
Start by setting specific, achievable goals, such as understanding neural networks or completing a machine learning project. Next, gather reliable resources like online courses, textbooks, or tutorials. Align your resources with your goals, ensuring each step has appropriate materials. This foundation allows you to learn progressively and avoid getting sidetracked by unrelated topics.
Designing a practical learning schedule.
Establish a realistic, flexible timetable that fits your daily routine. Consistency is key. Even short, focused study sessions add up over time. Schedule breaks and review periods to reinforce what you've learned. Pay attention to your own energy levels and adapt your study blocks for maximum effectiveness, making sure the plan supports steady, sustainable progress.
Tracking progress and staying accountable.
Use tools like journals, spreadsheets, or online habit trackers to document your learning journey. Regularly update your progress, note challenges, and celebrate milestones. Sharing your goals with peers or online communities can add an extra layer of accountability, while reflecting on your achievements helps maintain motivation and clarify your next steps.
Adapting and overcoming roadblocks.
Challenges are natural in an AI learning journey. If you encounter tough concepts or lose momentum, adjust your study plan. Break larger tasks into smaller steps. Find alternative explanations or seek help from forums or study groups. Regularly reviewing and revising your plan ensures it remains customized to your needs and keeps your learning on track.
Sustaining long-term AI growth.
Embrace a growth mindset and view your AI study plan as a living document. As your interests and the field evolve, continue setting new challenges and integrating recent developments. Long-term success comes from persistence, curiosity, and ongoing adaptation. Remember, the journey is as important as the destination. Celebrate your progress along the way.